Hi there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math type of a question from the topic of percents. There will be definitely a question from this topic in the exam, so I strongly suggest you to go on our playlist section, look for this topic, and you will see lots of digital SAT math similar questions from this topic. You can pause these videos, give it a try, solve it on your own, and you'll get better. So let's dive into this problem. There are three numbers in a set. One of the numbers, m, is 15% less than the sum of the other two numbers. If the sum of the three numbers is 222, what is the value of m? So to solve this question, we will need to set up the equation. Let's say m and x and y for the second and third variables, and the sum is 222. There is also another information given in this section of the problem. M is 15% less than some of the other two numbers, which means that if it's one whole, if you will take away 15% from one whole, 1 minus 0.15, that gives you 0.85. Please keep that in mind. So this tells us that m, so they're saying that the sum of is going to be 15% less than x plus y, means that's going to be 0.85 times x plus y will be equals to m. This is how you set up this equation. Now I'm gonna show you in different color pen. To solve this, when we distribute the 0.85 into parentheses, we will have a value of m in terms of x and y. Let's go ahead and do that. 0.85x plus 0.85y is equals to m. So we have also given here m. So instead of m, over here I'm going to go ahead and write this expression in terms of x and y. So 0.85x plus 0.85y plus x and y is equal to, again, 222. So let's underline the like terms. These are double lines. So x, we have x's and we have y's. So 0.85 plus 1 gives you 1.85. 1.85x plus same thing with the y, 1.85y gives you 222. So we can take into parentheses of 1.85 because it's common in both. So then you have x plus y is equals to 222. To get the value of x plus y, we will need to divide both sides of the equation by 1.85. So you will be allowed to use your calculator during the tests. So if you will do this calculation, x plus y will be equals to 120. So since, let me show you in different color, m plus x plus y is equals to 220, it's already given. And for the x plus y, we found the value of 120. If we will take away these from here, so this cancels each other out, we have m on the left side. And if you will take away 120 from 222, so it's gonna be 102 here, and the right choice for the specific question is the choice B. I strongly suggest you to go on the playlist section in our channel, where you can find similar to this type of questions so that you can practice on your own. to get better again. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.